coming to Ballasalla today to apparently try some real horsepower. You can see I've got myself well prepared because obviously this must be something really powerful. So let's go and see what if it's more powerful than this 450 horsepower Porsche 911 992. What's that? Are you kidding me? Are they getting me on a horse? It's not 450 horsepower, that's for sure. Where do I put the key in? Needless to say, I got prepared for driving some real horsepower today, but apparently I've just been told that I'm actually in the wrong suit.
Move around which beats you because
I better go and get changed.
Cool. So this is going to work by me doing a bit of a demonstration.
Is this a driver or a pitching wedge?
Hang on. Pop up on the chairs to start with, guys, and I'll just show you how to do your grip. Look at the ball.
Okay.
Just go and draw it back.
Don't watch me.
Right. Nice one. Keep your eye on it. Really nice. Keep your grip. Same ball you shot. There you go. Like that.
If I'm having that much trouble on a chair standing on it, what's going to happen on the horse?
Relax.
That's it. Move it. Put it in here. That's it. Spot on.
Top secret.
Spot on.
Have you never actually ridden a horse either?
Never ridden a horse. I have sat on a horse, but I've not actually ridden
I would say for a bloke is to learn to sit on your bum rather than forwards, so you don't give yourself an injury.
Ready?
1, 2.
There you go. Pretty sure the last person. Yeah. Let's get out there and let's get moving around, shall we? So if everyone wants to follow in behind me, and we'll head out.
Go Warren, go.
He hasn't moved too far yet.
Yeah. Go on, go and kick. That's it.
Accelerator, brake and clutch and a steering wheel is definitely a lot easier.
Yeah. This set wants to be up here like that, and this set wants
Oh,
to be
so
like...
I've had the wrong way round.
Yes. And you just... But when you're steering, you make sit up straight and try and extend your arm as far as possible, and you want your reins right up here, and just slowly...
Have I got enough length? Have I got enough length on it now?
Yeah, that's it. And then you just... And give her a squeeze, make her go forward.
That's it.
There we go.
That's it. Send her. That's it. Right leg stole there. Keep her walking forward now. That's it. Keep your leg on. Keep her moving forward. That's it. Keep her walking forward. Keep steering. Good, mate.
Okay, so I've put her in park.
This is in park, right? Okay. You swing your other leg over, okay, and then just land on your feet. Oh no, this foot out the stirrup. This foot out the stirrup. Sorry. Okay. Swing your other leg over. That's it. Go for it. Well done, mate. Like seriously, like you'll feel this one tomorrow. Only another hour and a half to go. You're fine.
It's good fun. It is strange. I feel like I'm not sure how my body's going to react to this.
Yeah.
First of all, I want to say thank you for this entertaining experience. The horsepower wasn't the horsepower I was expecting this morning, but it was very entertaining. And yeah, we're getting there. It's been a great day. And if anybody wants to actually do something that they probably haven't done before, and that's with the Triskelion Polo Club, get in touch with them because it's fantastic. You'll enjoy it, you'll love it, and it's another sport to do out in the open.
Cool. Yeah, no, it's been an absolutely smashing day. I think you've been an excellent sport, considering you've never sat on a horse before. You know, you've come, you've got on, everything's been in good spirits, and you've progressed a hell of a long way in one day. You know what I mean? You start from knowing nothing about it, and then, you know, trotting around hitting the ball. You've had a bit of canter already. You know what I mean? So we've pretty much covered all of the basics that you'd want to do in one day. And anytime you want to come back, we'd be great to have you back.
Pleasure, and same, we get you out in a car and get you to drive a car as well.
I'm looking forward to that bit. That's my bonus for the day.